How much should you really spend on vinyl plank flooring? Cheap ones look fine at first, but then peel or warp. Expensive ones promise durability, but do they actually last? The truth is, price doesn't always mean quality, and today, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly what's worth your money. Product number 1, NAACOO 4-in-1 Floor Install Kit. If you're tackling a DIY vinyl plank project and want tools that actually make installation easier, this NAACOO kit is a solid starter pack. It includes a double-sided tapping block, pull bar, 40 spacers, and a rubber mallet, all for under $26. What caught my eye is how it's built for multiple flooring types, not just vinyl. The tapping block has 3 different edge thicknesses, so whether you're working with 4 or 12 planks, there's a side that fits. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When installing vinyl planks, getting tight seams is everything. Gaps lead to movement, noise, and eventual damage. The pull bar lets you lock boards near walls without damaging them, and the spacers have serrated edges that lock in place. No more slipping while you work. Over 700 people bought this last month, and while there are no reviews yet, the design matches what pros use. Now, some people might complain about the lack of a contour gauge for curved cuts. This kit doesn't include one. Here's the thing though, if you're doing a standard room with straight walls, you won't miss it. But if you're tackling tricky corners or irregular shapes, you'll need something extra. This is perfect for you if you're a first-time installer on a budget and want reliable basics. Skip this one if your project involves lots of curves or complex layouts. For under $26, it's a no-brainer for simple jobs. Product number 2, NAACOO 5-in-1 Pro Install Kit. Now, if the first kit's lack of a contour gauge bothered you, this upgraded NAACOO version adds exactly that, and it's still under $34. This 5-in-1 kit includes everything from the previous model, but throws in a 10-inch contour gauge with a locking mechanism. That means you can trace odd-shaped edges like baseboards, pipes, or stair nosing and transfer the shape perfectly to your planks. The gauge holds its form so you don't lose the template while cutting. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Vinyl plank flooring often meets irregular surfaces, and guessing those cuts leads to wasted material and uneven seams. With this tool, you get precision without hiring a pro. The rest of the kit is just as solid, same steel pull bar, same 40 non-slip spacers, same dual-sided mallet. Over 600 sold in the past month, and again, no reviews yet, but the added functionality is clear. Now, some people might say it's overkill for a small bedroom. Here's the thing though, if you're doing multiple rooms or a whole house, that contour gauge pays for itself in saved planks and frustration. This is perfect for you if you're handling a full renovation or dealing with custom layouts. Skip this one if you're just doing a single, simple room with straight walls. At $33.45, it's a smarter long-term investment. Product number 3, Art 3D Black Woodlook Peel and Stick. Alright, that was a solid toolkit. But what if you don't want to install traditional vinyl planks at all? This Art 3D Peel and Stick vinyl from Art 3D offers a completely different approach, 36 tiles covering 54 SQFT for about $90. It looks like real wood with grain texture and a sleek black finish, but installs in minutes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're renting, on a tight timeline, or just hate the hassle of locking planks, this is a game changer. No subfloor prep, no tapping blocks, just peel, stick, and walk on it. It's 100% waterproof, scratch-resistant, and rigid, so it won't buckle like cheap stickers. Over 200 bought recently, though reviews are still pending. Now, some people might worry about long-term adhesion. Peel and stick can lift over time. Here's the thing though, Art 3D uses a strong adhesive layer, and as long as your floor is clean and flat, it holds up well in kitchens, bathrooms, and RVs. This is perfect for you if you need a fast, stylish update without demolition. Skip this one if you want flooring that lasts 10+ years or plan to sell the home soon. For renters or quick flips, it's a steal. Product number 4, Art 3D Brownstone Peel and Stick. Now, if you like the peel and stick idea but want a warmer tone, this Art 3D Brownstone version delivers the same ease with a richer, earthier look. Priced at $115.83, it's slightly more expensive, but you get the same 54 SQFT coverage, rigid core, and waterproof performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Color and texture can make or break a room's vibe, and this one blends modern and rustic styles seamlessly. Like the black version, it's DIY-friendly, no tools, no glue, no mess. It also comes with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, which is rare in peel and stick products. Only 100 sold recently, so it's newer, but the brand reputation helps. Now, some people might say it's pricey for temporary flooring. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a low-traffic area or as a design accent, the durability and look justify the cost. This is perfect for you if you want high-end aesthetics without the install hassle. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need heavy-duty flooring for pets or kids. It's style over sheer toughness. Product number 5. Valleys Co. Brown Waterproof Peel and Stick. Alright, last but not least, this Valleys Co. Peel and Stick Vinyl offers a balanced mix of affordability, function, and style at $84.94 for 54 SQFT. It's brown with a subtle wood grain, and what sets it apart is the textured, slip-resistant surface, great for bathrooms or kitchens. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want something that feels more like real flooring and less like a sticker, this gets closer. The adhesive is strong and the planks are slightly thicker, reducing the risk of peeling at the edges. Over 100 sold, and while reviews aren't in yet, the specs suggest serious improvement over basic peel and sticks. Now, some people might still doubt long-term durability. After all, it's still adhesive-based. Here's the thing though, for under $85, you're getting a product designed for daily use, not just temporary fixes. This is perfect for you if you want to step up from cheap stickers without going full luxury vinyl. Skip this one if you need commercial-grade flooring or are installing over uneven surfaces. For homes, offices, or rentals, it's a smart middle ground pick. So which one's right for you? If you're installing traditional vinyl, go with the NAACOO kits. The 5-in-1 if you need curves, the 4-in-1 if you don't. For Peel and Stick, Art 3D's black or brown options are great for style and speed, while Valleys Co. offers better durability for busy spaces. No single product wins for everyone, it depends on your project, budget, and timeline. Pick the one that matches your real-life needs, not just the prettiest photo.